Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Garnier Vitamin C mask for a radiant glow. First, ensure your face is clean and free of makeup. Gently unfold the mask, taking care to remove the protective film. Then, carefully place the mask onto your face, aligning the cutouts with your eyes, nose, and mouth for proper fit. This preparation ensures maximum absorption of the beneficial serum. Once the mask is on, gently smooth out any air bubbles to ensure full contact with your skin. This helps the serum penetrate effectively. Now, simply relax and let the mask work its magic for the recommended 15 minutes. You can read a book, listen to music, or just unwind. This dedicated time allows your skin to fully absorb the powerful vitamin C serum. After the 15 minutes are up, gently peel the sheet mask from your face. You'll notice a generous amount of serum remaining on your skin. Do not rinse your face. Instead, gently massage this excess serum into your skin, extending down to your neck and décolletage. This ensures all the beneficial ingredients are fully absorbed, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. After using the Garnier Vitamin C mask, you'll immediately notice brighter, more radiant skin. It effectively targets dullness and helps to even out your skin tone, giving you a healthy glow. To maintain these fantastic results and keep your skin looking its best, we recommend incorporating this mask into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Enjoy your luminous complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.